In this last video of traffic circles dealing with speed, I want to highlight the second of the golden rules. Now, normally I would feature the animation just prior to the real life clip so that the animation demonstrates what the real life clip is about. In this video, I'm going to do it a little bit differently. I'm going to show the real life clip first of all, and then the animation. And so the point here is to help you to try and anticipate where something could go wrong. So the second of the golden rules is expect the unexpected. If you haven't watched previous videos and you're not sure about what the golden rules are, I'm going to put a link in the description section of this video below and have a look at that page on the website dealing with golden rules. So the first golden rule is never to assume anything. Second golden rule, which is what this video is about, is to expect the unexpected. And the third golden rule is to plan ahead. So as we play the real life clip, I want you to try and see if you can anticipate where something is going to go wrong. Let's play the clip. So how many of you were expecting the danger or the threat to come from directly ahead of you? Well, if you were, well done. However, in most cases, we were probably expecting the threat to come from either of these three directions, from the right, the left, or perhaps even from behind us. Very few, I think, would anticipate that the threat is going to come from directly ahead. Now, this satellite image is exactly the location of what we saw in that real life clip. So I followed up the coordinates and got this location in order to make the animation. And so the point here is speed of vehicles approaching an intersection. So we'll see that in the animation. Notice the driver of the red vehicle approaching the intersection at speed. And so this is a danger where we've got a circle or roundabout that's at the end of a long straight line, because maybe the driver's not paying attention and so doesn't take note of what's happening ahead of him, and so approaches the traffic circle at too high a speed, and in that case is going to go completely over the traffic circle and pose a threat to traffic that's on the other side of the circle. And so that's what the point of this video is about. Try and anticipate where things go wrong, expect the unexpected, and at a traffic circle, maybe even from directly across the traffic circle. In the real life clips to follow, which is in the form of the montage, you'll see some examples of this to show that this, although it's not a common occurrence, there is that possibility that always exists. Please like, subscribe, and get notified.